It's skin now, let's be pretty. Rough skin like sandpaper. The sandpaper is used for some reason. Dry skin like desert. My skin does not grow grassy, like desertification and accelerates. Thick skin like basketball leather. It doesn't mean no sunnies of shame, but your face gets thicker and thicker. Hazy acne scars like moon's surface. Amsterdam would like to step on it. Dark circles panda wants a friend. Uncomfortable when you hear look tired even feeling better than ever after good sleep? I know your trouble. You worried about wrinkle getting deeper due to worries? Superhero will solve your worries. KYK new product H2 Mist. Hydrogen helps repair skin damage caused by UV light. Hydrogen promotes skin rebuilding. Hydrogen inhibits the production of skin wrinkles by preventing collagen production, oxidative stress inhibition and cell damage. Hydrogen is good for your skin anywhere. Products that started with that simple idea. New release of KYK for Health and Beauty H2 Mist. That good hydrogen is unlimited. Just add water to make unlimited hydrogen. Enjoy as much as like buffet without expenses. Ultrafine hydrogen particles penetrate deep into the pores, moisturizing and antioxidant. Meridian massage function with magnet. With the cap of KYK hydrogen mist you can smooth out skin. Magnetic fields from the magnets in the cap can promote metabolism by stimulate the acupuncture spot of skin. Make sure the parts should be right parts. Make even one, based on honest and good quality. Low-end batteries that discharge quickly, or low-grade vibrators that just fail is not good. For skin use, make sure you use the right ingredients. KYK Hydrogen Mist uses a large capacity battery, medical vibrator and purity 99.9% platinum. Cooling effect. KYK's mist has a cooling effect, effective for restoring skin elasticity and shrinking pores. Can also be used as a mini humidifier. The KYK mist is designed to stand up to be used as a mini humidifier when dry. Feel the whitening effect. Hydrogen inhibits the production of tyrosinase enzymes, which cause melanin pigment. KYK Hydrogen Mist with sensational design that is easy to carry and enhances your dignity anywhere. By order of arrival. www.cake.com